What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this Pampered Pretties Valentine's Day collection Marble Mani, and the color that we're starting with is Heartbreaker. We're going to be putting this on our thumb, our ring, and our pinky finger, and then the pointer and the middle finger are going to be marble nails. I'm excited to try another marble. I've done one before, but it wasn't very good. So I haven't done one since, but I'm super excited about this one, and I think it turned out really cute. Who got some of these Valentine's Day colors, and if so, which ones did you get? I really loved every single color in this collection. I think it might be one of my favorites from her. I love that the collection could be on its own. There's so many different combos that you can make with these colors together, but I also love that you can break them all up and use them in any type of season, any type of way. They're just really great colors. The quality is amazing every single time. I always love her powders. They're so easy to work with. And seriously, just look at how rich this red is. I did not used to be a red girl. I don't know if I've said this before in another video, but I didn't really used to be a red nail type of girl. But oh my gosh, I really like red. I love red nails. I literally can't get enough of them. Do you guys have a color like specific that you would never get in a salon, but now that you do your own nails, you do that color? That's me with red. Alright, anyways, I'm going to let you guys watch through, and then once the marble starts, I will come back. So the colors we're using are Heartbreaker, Smitten, Love Bug, and French Kiss. And we're going to be using this Revel Nail Cuticle Pusher. We're going to use this little skinny side and some Revel Clear just as the base. I find, me personally, clear is better for me in a marble as my base rather than a white is. I mean, I don't know if people do that. I don't really know even how to do a marble. Honestly, I don't really do research that much, but this is just how I've seen other people do it, so I'm gonna try it. The reason I'm saying that the clear works better for me is because I've done one with a white base before and it did not turn out very good. So I'm assuming that the clear is why this one is a little bit better. I don't know. You tell me, do you guys use clear as a base for your marble, or do you use white as a base for your marble, or does it not even matter? I am rambling so much and I'm not even telling you guys what I'm doing. So basically I'm just taking a little bit of each color and I'm putting it into this little dip tray, and I'm just swirling this stuff around. It doesn't really matter how much of each color you use. It's personal preference of what you want the marble to look like. I tried to shy away from using too much red. I don't know if I still use too much red. I do think I used a little bit too much pink. I think I would have liked to have more white in there, but I still think it's really flipping cute and it's a lot better than my first marble, so I will call it a win. But we are just going to tap some more of this in and swirl the powder around, and then we're going to dip into our middle finger. I did end up switching the dip tray around, because you'll watch in this clip, I struggle so hard to get my whole nail covered in dip powder, so that side is a little too shallow for my nail, so I flipped over to the other side so it's a little bit deeper. Alright, now on the other side of the tray, I'm going to do this again. You don't necessarily have to dip your marble twice. You could stop right where I am, but I do want to give it a little bit of extra color. I do kind of wonder what it would have looked like if I would have just left it here, but I love the way that it turned out anyways. So again, it's just personal preference and what you prefer. If you want a more like subtle marble look, then I think a one dip marble would probably be perfect, but if you want a little bit more drastic marble, you could do it with an extra dip. Now we're going to take some of these really cute glitters from Lovebug, and we're going to place these wherever we see fit on the nail. And yeah, I really love the way that this brought the marble to life. It gave it that extra oomph and Valentine's Day cuteness. I am so in love with this glitter. I'm just using this little nail tool here to press down the glitters a little bit better. I like to do this right when the base starts to get a little bit tacky, so it's not so wet that the glitters still move around, but it's sticky. Okay, so we're going to be dipping into Revel's Vivian, which is clear. And I am going to be dipping these in clear twice, but I'm only showing it on video once because it's repetitive. But just so you guys know, because I am working with bigger glitters, I don't want to accidentally file onto those glitters if the clear dip is too thin, so that's why I'm doing two. After we're done dipping our nails in clear, I'm going to get into solidifying and filing. I'm going to let you guys watch through until the end of the video, and I will come back and say goodbye. But other than that, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, I am back. We're gonna apply top coat off camera and some candy skincare. This is Holiday Treats. Also, the top coat I'm wearing is from Valentino Beauty Pure. I use the base and gel top coat as the combo. I find that it gives it that extra shine. Here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, please. It means so much to me. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!